Imagine this. A gun hangs silently on a wall in the first chapter of a story, unnoticed, harmless.
But by the third chapter, it fires.
This idea, famously articulated by Anton Chekhov, captures one of the most powerful storytelling techniques in literature.
Today, we're going to explore not just what foreshadowing is, but how it shapes meaning, builds suspense, and transforms ordinary stories into unforgettable narratives.
What is foreshadowing?
Foreshadowing is a literary device in which writers hint at events that will occur later in the narrative. These hints can be subtle whispers or clear declarations, but their purpose remains the same: to prepare the reader for what lies ahead. Think of foreshadowing as a shadow cast by the future onto the present. Why is foreshadowing important? Foreshadowing is not just decorative, it's structural. It builds suspense and tension, creates a sense of inevitability, helps readers connect earlier and later events, and gives a narrative a feeling of completeness. A well-crafted story doesn't just end, it feels inevitable, as though everything was leading there all along. Types of foreshadowing.
Let's explore the major types, each with its own artistic effect.
Subtle foreshadowing is so delicate that readers often miss it until later. A passing detail, a casual remark, only in hindsight does it reveal its importance. A character mentions working in a lab. Later, a deadly virus spreads, and that same character becomes humanity's last hope. Partial or mysterious foreshadowing gives just enough information to spark curiosity, but not enough to explain it. It uses incomplete clues that raise questions. For example, one day, I would learn that my ability to spit watermelon seeds would save my life. Strange, right? The reader wonders how, when, and why. Direct foreshadowing is explicit. The writer tells us what will happen. A classic example comes from Romeo and Juliet. The prologue reveals that the lovers will die. Yet this does not reduce suspense, it deepens it. Red herrings are false clues designed to mislead. A suspicious character appears guilty but is completely innocent. The result? Heightened suspense and surprise. Foreshadowing versus flash forward. Students often confuse these two, so let's clarify. Foreshadowing hints at the future, while flash forward shows the future directly. Foreshadowing stays rooted in the present narrative, while flash forward disrupts time itself. Let's bring theory to life with some powerful literary examples. In Macbeth, King Duncan rewards Macbeth with the title of Thane of Cawdor, a title once held by a traitor. This subtly foreshadows Macbeth's own betrayal. In Paradise Lost, Milton reveals from the beginning the fall of man, the forbidden fruit, and disobedience. This is direct foreshadowing. In Of Mice and Men, Candy's regret over his dog foreshadows the tragic choice George must later make. Foreshadowing allows writers to guide attention, create anticipation, deliver satisfying resolutions, establish themes of fate, and connect the beginning with the end. Foreshadowing is the art of planting seeds in the reader's mind, seeds that bloom into understanding, shock, or tragedy. The next time you read or watch a story, ask yourself, what clues are hidden in plain sight? Because in literature, nothing is ever truly accidental.
If you enjoyed this lecture, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more literary devices. Until next time, keep reading between the lines.